Hey, it's day 6 of McDonald's season of sharing. I could win McDonald's for life.
Today it's a pick 4 deal, where you get a medium drink, a small fry, a 4-piece McNugget, and your choice of a McDouble or a McChicken. I actually got the McDouble with extra mustard, ketchup, pickle, onions, and add mayonnaise.
I tried something new today. It's the ranch flavored sauce for my McNuggets.
I don't know about you, but if I've got fries for my burgers, I put them right on top.
I don't like the ranch sauce.
I guess I'm gonna be okay. You get a 4-piece fry, or 4-piece fries,